to our channel, guys. Today we'll be doing a quick setup of the solar standing fan. So we'll do a demonstration video so that you can watch to see how the fan is supposed to be installed, and you can actually use the video as a guide with the step-by-step to install your solar fan. So let's get straight into the video, guys. So on a clear flat, we have the main pole right here. So this is the main pole that hold the fan up, and you must place it through the hole right there of the base. So what you would do, you would unscrew this area, you put it in from the bottom and screw it tight. So let's do that. So look at it. So you unscrew it like this to remove it completely. Okay. So this is what it looks like when you remove it. You will place this part here under the base. So this is the base, so you put it in like this. And you hold it and you turn the base. Then you put on the pole and you turn it at the bottom of the base to get it to lock tight into the hole that is right there. Or you could turn it over to see what you're doing, and you continue to turn it like this until it is locked tight. And then you turn over the base and you can pull this up to get the length. If it's too tight, you unscrew right here to free it up. Then you pull it out. Then you add the main part, which would be the fan. This is the core area of the fan, which comes with the power button that will turn on and off the fan. So if you look closely in the fan, you will see a screw right there. You can use either a screwdriver or a knife to loosen the screw, but do not let it come out fully. It should be in the same way, because you want to be able to place the pole in this hole right here and then screw back this screw tight to hold it firm in place. So let's do that. Look. So you look, you see that it's not that close to the hole anymore, but it's not supposed to be completely out, because there is a screw inside and not inside that you don't want to loosen. You want it to remain in place in order to hold the fan when you put it onto the pole. So let's put the fan onto the pole now. Right, so once the fan is slipped in, you can also tighten it. You can tighten it from the base there, and you must tighten the screw right there in order for it to remain firm. Right now it is not firm because it's not yet tightened. So let's tighten this fan. So for most of these solar fan, the face of the solar fan comes separated, comes with screw. So you'd have to screw it onto the face right here. So let's do that quickly. Okay, so you line up the face of the fan in these little holes right here, and you place the screw in. You can see. Okay, now that the face is screwed down, we can go ahead and install. So most solar fan come with this lock at the face right here that you would use to lock on the face of the solar fan cover. So you remove it in order to put on the blades. Then we have this part here that also secure the back of the fan blade. You need to remove it in order to put on the blades at the back of the fan. When you remove it, you're going to place this fan blade, the fan cover, to the back of the fan. So you notice these two little holes right here. You're going to ensure that it is properly placed on the fan. So when that is done, you will see the two little section right there that I showed earlier, that it must be placed in those areas, and then you will lock back the back of the fan cover to the fan. So it's now time for us to put on the blade and the front part of the cover. So the blade is very straightforward. You put it on like that and then you cover it. So we just added the cover for the blade. So it's now time for us to put on the face of the fan. You don't have to struggle to do this. From this part right here is turned to the bottom of the fan. Look at the cover right there at the bottom. you ensure that you put the cover within that little groove right there, and then you lock it all the way around. So now we are finished installing the solar fan. So it's time for us to test it, which you would test it before, but afterwards you can test it as well. That's now on low speed, medium, high speed, and we turn on the light. So this is how you set up your solar fan. Very easy to do. And if you want to watch more video relating to this type of content, you can check out our YouTube channel, Sunshine City Solar Light JA. We post videos relating to solar, everything solar, solar Christmas lights, solar fans, solar light, floodlights, street lights, how to install them, how to care for them, how to maintain them. Everything relating to solar products are on our YouTube channel, guys. So please check us out, and please to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to watch a video relating to how the solar fan work without electricity, that is also posted on our channel. You can click the link in our comment section and you can watch that video, or you can just search our channel for other videos relating to solar products. Thanks for watching, guys.